Hello guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this Sputnik lamp for reviewing purposes. So let's take it out of the box. Firstly, we see are the instructions to how to install it. Then we have the four glass pieces. They come really well protected with this foam. I'm gonna take them everything one out and then show it to you. And this is the proper main unit, okay? It comes with a tool to take all the pieces out so you can place them, okay? These are the glass fixtures. As you can see, they are really nice. And it seems really easy to install because it actually is. Just place it like this. And then you have the tool. And just like that, it's ready, okay? It also seems like a really easy installation, so I think it's really great. So let's go ahead and place all the glass fixtures and place some light bulbs and test it out, okay? Come on. As I've said, installing it's really easy. It's just a matter of placing all the cluster fixtures into the main unit and place the proper light bulbs, okay? Then we're gonna install the base upon the ceiling where we're gonna test it out and place the main unit, okay? As you can see, I placed these warm white light bulbs and I think they look amazing. It has a really interesting design that I think it's gonna do a really nice work where you wanna place it in your kitchen, in your dining room, your living room, where you wanna place it. I think it's gonna look amazing. And overall, I like it a lot and I will really recommend it. So you guys.